Get ready to join us on an exciting journey through the world of technology, as we welcome you to Tech Talk with HP. Are you new to SEO and looking to expand your knowledge? You're in luck. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the fundamentals of SEO, even if you're starting from scratch. So, are you ready to explore? Let's get started. Alright guys, let's start with the basics. SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's all about optimizing your website so that it shows up higher in search engine results pages, like Google or Bing. For those of you who may not be familiar with a search engine results page, or SERP for short, it is the list of results that a search engine displays in response to a user's query. So, when you search for something on the internet, you'll usually come across two types of search results: organic search results and paid search results. Alright, so let me break down the difference between organic search results and paid search results. Organic results are based on relevance and popularity, and they're not influenced by any payment or advertising. On the other hand, paid search results are the listings that appear at the top of the search results page, and they're usually marked as sponsored or ad. So now you will understand, SEO is the process to improve your website's visibility or ranking in search engines. The higher you rank, the more people will visit your page. Now, to understand SEO process. First, understand how Google actually finds and organizes all the content on the internet. Well, it's a pretty complex process, but I'll try to break it down for you. First, Google uses automated programs called crawlers, also known as spiders or bots, to visit websites and gather information about their content. These crawlers follow links from one page to another, and they continue to do this until they've crawled every page on the internet that they can access. Once the crawlers have collected this information, it's sent back to Google's servers, where it's processed and added to Google's index. The index is essentially a huge database that contains information about all the content Google has found on the web. When someone types a search query into Google, the search engine uses its algorithms to analyze the information in the index and determine which pages are the most relevant and useful for the query. These pages are then displayed in the search results. So, it's important to understand this process if you want to optimize your website for search engines, as it can help you ensure that your content is being properly crawled and indexed. Let's move on to the different types of SEO. SEO is a crucial part of any digital marketing strategy, and understanding the types can help you optimize your website and attract more organic traffic. Here are three types of SEO. First, on-page SEO. Second, off-page SEO. And third, technical SEO. On-page SEO. On-page SEO is the practice of optimizing elements on a website. The process to rank higher and earn more free traffic. On-page SEO also helps users quickly understand what a page is about. On-page SEO elements. Here are some on-page SEO elements that can impact the ranking of a website in search engines. Title tag, meta description, URL structure, header tags, content quality and relevance, keyword optimization, image optimization, internal linking, user experience, schema markup. You can take a screenshot to read later. Now, off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is about everything that doesn't happen directly on your website. It refers to actions taken outside of your website to impact your rankings within search engine results pages. Outside means off-page SEO is all about link building. It is the process of promoting your site or brand around the web. Here is the list of off-page SEO techniques. The ways to create backlinks for your website and increase your website's rank in search result. Take a screenshot to read later. Now, third one is technical SEO. Technical SEO refers to the optimization of a website's technical elements to improve its search engine ranking. The goal of technical SEO is to make it easier for search engines to understand and rank a website, resulting in increased traffic. Here is the basic checklist of technical SEO to follow on your website. Take a screenshot to read it later. Here is an image to help you understand each type of SEO quickly. Now friends, let's talk about two important types of SEO. White hat SEO and black hat SEO. White hat SEO refers to the legal tactics used to improve website rankings on search results. It means following the guidelines provided by search engines and producing high-quality, relevant content. In short, no cheating. On the other hand, black hat SEO involves using manipulative and unethical tactics to rank higher in search engines. This can include tactics like keyword stuffing, buying backlinks and more. Black hat SEO techniques is likely to damage your presence in search engines rather than improve it. You should avoid black hat SEO at all costs. White hat SEO is a much better method of doing search engine optimization. SEO is all about appearing in search results for business growth, but there's a right and wrong way of doing search engine optimization. So always go for white hat SEO. Now friends, let's understand one of the main factors of SEO. Keywords. Keywords are the words that people type into search engines to find what they're looking for, also known as a search query. As a website owner and content creator, you want the keywords on your page to be relevant to what people are looking for, so they have a better chance of finding your content on the search engine result page. Here are some basic types of keywords you should know. LSI keywords, short tail keywords, long tail keywords, questions, commercial, informational, primary keywords, secondary keywords. This is just an overview of important SEO terms. We will upload detailed videos on each of them soon in our SEO playlist. If you want to stay updated with our upcoming videos, please subscribe. So friends, what tools are required for SEO? Here's an important list of must-have tools for SEO. We will make a video soon that explains each tool of SEO in detail. Till now, we have covered almost every important term in SEO. Let's take a quick moment to revise and ensure that you have a better understanding of SEO as a beginner. SEO. Search engine optimization. Think you have a website of cake shop, for example. And you want to grab more customers on your website from Google. When people search best cakes near me or in my city. So, here comes the role of SEO, which will help you increase the ranking of your website and attract more traffic. Research shows that most users tend to click on the results appearing on the first page of Google search. So, if you want to increase your website traffic, it's important to implement SEO strategies and aim to rank higher in search results. So let's go back to our cake shop. After creating your website, the first thing to consider is your target audience and the keywords you want to target. These two elements play an important role in the success of your website's SEO strategy. Target audience helps you determine what type of content you need to create. And keywords are the terms that people search when looking for information related to your website. So first focus on the target audience. Then do perfect keyword research related to your business. Create powerful content to rank your website. Focus on on-page and technical SEO to improve website's performance. Then create backlinks to promote your business on internet. These are the main factors to consider for SEO. So, this concludes our basic introduction to SEO, my friends. We will be creating detailed videos on all the terms and concepts of SEO to help you become a master of SEO. Please subscribe to our channel to motivate us on this great journey. See you in next videos.